Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Anbernic RG35XX not turning on. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry, we are going to solve this issue by each step. So if your Anbernic RG35 not turning on, you can try this following step. Okay, first of all, plug the charger into game console. If the battery is completely drained, it may take some time to charge it fully. Plug the charger into the game console and wait for the at least 15 minutes to ensure that the battery has enough charger to turn on the device. Okay, and then insert the original system SD card. Make sure that the original system SD card is inserted when charging the device. This is because some firmware version require the SD card to be present to boot up the device. Okay, and then use the original charging cable. Make sure that you are using the original charging cable that came with the device. If you are using the third party cable, it may not be provide the enough power to charge the device properly. And then check the charger specification. Make sure that the charger you are using is 5B2A. Using a charger with different specification may damage the device or prevent from the charging properly. Okay, and then check the SD card. Insert the original system SD card into your computer and check if it is damaged. You can use the tool like H2 test W to test the SD card for error. If the SD card is damaged, you may need to replace it with new one. Okay, and flash the firmware. If none of the steps work, you can try flashing the firmware. You can download the latest firmware from the Anbernic website. Like go to Anbernic website. Okay, you can see here cmx dot. Here you can first need to accept the cookies and then agree with this. And here you can see RG35XX dual system. You have to download from here. Okay, and follow the instruction to provide the flashing into device. Okay, and after updating the firmware, please plug into the charger, press and reset the button and wait for 15 minutes and observe whether the charging light is on and try it to turn on. If cannot fix, you can contact the customer service. Go to their website, okay, unburnic.com, and after going into that unburnic.com, go to contact support here, and here you can see their email, their submit ticket. You can contact from this. They will provide you all the solution which you are facing. So thanks guys, having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.